Welcome, today I'm Friday with Xiaomi 13 Lite and I'll show you how to activate fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So let's first open the settings and then scroll to passwords and security. Click the fingerprint unlock, draw your pattern or enter the pin code, passcode and tap the fingerprint animation. And just switch the known to one from these available animations. For example, I'll use the iris. And here, now, let's just try and we can see that we just successfully activated the fingerprint sensor animation on our Xiaomi device. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel.